Hello everyone. So we have to start new chapter plants around us. So let's begin. We have learnt about different parts of a plant in previous class. Let us recall what we have already learnt. As our body has many parts, likewise the plants also has many parts like roots, stem, branches, leaves, flowers, fruits, etc. But the plant is basically divided into two parts, the root and the shoot. The root is below the ground and the shoot is above the ground. The root is the underground part of the plant which fixes the plant and keep the plant upright. And shoot is the upper part of the plant and above the soil which bears all the other parts of the plant like stem, leaves, branches, fruits, flower, etc. So the plant has roots, stem, leaves, bud, flowers and fruits. As different parts of our body perform different types of function, likewise, the different parts of the plant also perform different types of functions. Root fixes the plant in the soil and keep the plant upright. Stem carries all the other part of the shoot. Leaves make food for the plants. Flower grows into a fruit. Fruits store seeds to produce new plants. We look different types of plants around us. Some plants are very big like mango tree, banyan tree, peepal tree, etc. Some plants are small like mehndi, cotton plant, rose, bougainvillea, etc. Some plants are very small like ladyfinger, brinjal and all flowery plants. And some plants need support to grow like money plant, pea plant, etc. And some plants grow only on the ground like pumpkin, watermelon, etc. Plants are classified, that is, distributed into a group according to their features, similarities, and dissimilarities. Plants are classified, that is, distributed into a group. Plants are classified into different categories. They are tree, shrubs, herbs, climbers, and creepers. Let's talk more about trees. We look different types of trees. Mango tree, guava tree, banyan tree, peepal tree, etc. All are trees, but they all look different. Just like we all have two eyes, one nose, mouth, two hands, two legs, but we all look different because of their shape, size, and color. Likewise, trees different trees also look different, but their main features are same. Just because that same features, they are classified into the group tree. This is the stem of mango tree, which is woody, hard, and strong. And this is single stem. Very big plants are called trees, which has thick, woody, and strong stem, which is called trunk. And this single woody hard stem, which is called trunk, give rises many branches which bears leaves, flowers, and fruits. The roots of the tree go very deep into the soil so that they are able to absorb water and minerals from the soil. Tree lives for many years, several years. Sometimes they can live hundred of years. Trees gives us shades, food, timber, medicine, and many more things. The examples of trees are banyan tree, neem tree, peepal tree, mango tree, etc. Let's talk more about shrubs. What are shrubs? A woody plant smaller than tree is called shrub, which has woody stem but not as strong as tree. It has many main stems growing just above or near the ground, which bears leaves, fruits, and flowers. The size of shrub is between tree and herbs. Shrubs lives few years. This is hibiscus plant, that is Orhul Fool, and see, this is the stem of hibiscus plant, and there are many stems just near the ground, and the stem is woody but not as much as strong and big like tree. Example of shrubs are bougainvillea, mehndi, rose, etc. That means what are shrub? The plant which have woody stem but not as strong and big as tree are called shrub. And the main difference between tree and shrub are tree has single main stem but shrubs have many main stem growing from the ground level. Tree lives for many years but shrubs live for few years. Next one is herbs. Small plants are called herbs, which have green and thin stem but not woody. Such plants are called herbs. They are generally small in size and are grown in a particular season and lives only for 1 or 2 seasons. They produce flowers, fruits, and seeds in this season only, and after that they die. That means the plant that have green and thin stem and not woody are called herbs. And the examples of herbs are tomato, mint, ladyfinger, etc. Next one is climbers. The plant which have very weak and thin stem and cannot stand and grow straight by their own are called climbers. They need support to grow, to climb up. Such plants are called climbers. That means the plant which have very thin and weak stem and need support to grow, to climb are called climbers. Examples of climbers are pea plant, grapevine, money plant, etc. Next one is creepers. The plants that also have very weak and thin stem and they spread their branches on the ground are called creepers. Examples of creepers are pumpkin, watermelon, bitter gourd, etc.